the Animal Bubble Book. It's a little booklet that contains children's songs, such as Three Blind Mice, which I'm going to play now. It contains 3 miniature CD size 78 RPM shellac records, single-sided. There's only one side to each, and they're quite worn, quite hard to get to play on this 109 because it's got a automatic brake which has a tendency to switch off when I try to position it with the needle. So let's have a go. Three Blind Mice. Try again. Three Blind Mice.